Are you searching for a way to relax, restore, and renew your mind and body? Allow us to introduce you to Restorative Power Yoga, a practice that combines the calming benefits of restorative yoga with the invigorating elements of power yoga. This unique blend not only allows you to unwind and release tension, but also to build strength and endurance. Imagine feeling your body gently stretch as you delve into tranquility, your breath sinking with each movement. Picture yourself harnessing your inner power, challenging your physical limits while maintaining a Zen-like focus. This is not your typical yoga class. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path to balance and peace. Restorative power. Yoga is an immersive mind-body experience that is accessible to all levels, from beginners to seasoned yogis. So, are you ready to transform your wellness journey? Restorative Power Yoga provides a complete mind-body experience accessible to all levels. Let's hear from some of our participants about their experiences with Restorative Power Yoga. First up, we have Sarah. A yoga enthusiast, she's tried many different styles but found something truly special in Restorative Power Yoga. Here's what she has to say. I've experimented with many types of yoga, but none have touched me quite like Restorative Power Yoga. It's not just a workout, it's a journey of self-discovery. Every session brings me closer to a sense of balance and peace that I never thought possible. It's like finding an inner sanctuary, a place where I can truly relax and just be. Next we have Tom, a newcomer to the world of yoga. He was looking for a practice that could challenge him both mentally and physically. He found exactly what he was seeking in Restorative Power Yoga. When I first heard about Restorative Power Yoga, I was intrigued by the blend of relaxation and strength training. I decided to give it a shot, and I've been hooked ever since. It pushes me to my limits, testing my endurance and flexibility, but it also teaches me to listen to my body, to respect its boundaries. It's a rigorous workout, but it's also a lesson in mindfulness. I've learned to embrace my inner strength and to face challenges with a calm and focused mind. Listening to Sarah and Tom, it's clear that Restorative Power Yoga is more than just a physical practice. It's a holistic approach to wellness that nurtures the mind, body, and soul. It's about finding your inner balance, pushing your boundaries, and embracing the fullness of who you are. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi looking for a new challenge or a beginner seeking a comprehensive introduction to yoga, Restorative Power Yoga could be just what you're looking for. It's a practice that invites you to relax, restore, and renew, to find peace amidst the chaos, and to discover your true potential. These experiences are just a glimpse of the transformative power of Restorative Power Yoga. Ready to embark on your own journey of self-discovery and transformation? Restorative Power Yoga invites you to step onto the mat and explore a practice that soothes the mind, strengthens the body, and nurtures the spirit. This is not just a workout, it's a pathway to inner peace and physical vitality. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a complete beginner, don't hesitate. Restorative Power Yoga is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level or yoga experience. Our dedicated instructors will guide you through each pose, ensuring a safe and fulfilling practice. So why wait? Your journey towards wellness begins with a single pose. Discover the transformative power of Restorative Power Yoga and experience firsthand the profound benefits of this holistic practice. Remember, the strength you seek is already within you. All you need to do is tap into it. So, subscribe to our channel for more videos on yoga, mindfulness,